Good morning guys, in front of me is HTC U23 Pro and let me show you how to set up date and time on this device. But first open the settings, then find and select System, and here you will find date and time. At first you have to turn off automatic date and time and now click on date and manage it manually. Tap on OK to apply. And it's all the same with time, so smoothly mark the hour that you want to use, tap on OK, and that's it. This panel also allows you to activate, to actually switch off automatic time zone and then set it up by yourself. Just pick time zone, select the region at first, and then go back once it is done. So that will be all. This is it, so you can set date and time on your phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.